Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Virtual reality is evolving faster than ever, and all eyes are on the highly anticipated Meta Quest 4. As VR technology advances at a rapid pace, leaks and rumors suggest this next-generation headset will bring unmatched performance, cutting-edge AI-driven features, and a revolutionary gaming experience. Could this be the moment that truly reshapes the VR industry? In this in-depth breakdown, we'll explore everything from leaks, performance enhancements, and potential game-changing innovations that the Meta Quest 4 is expected to deliver. If you're a tech enthusiast or a VR gamer, stay tuned as we unravel the latest details about this powerhouse headset. Meta Quest 4. The evolution of VR. The Meta Quest 4 is shaping up to be a significant step forward in standalone VR technology, boasting major improvements in display quality, motion tracking, and processing power. Although Meta has yet to unveil official specifications, insider reports and industry speculation hint at a groundbreaking device. The Quest 4 is rumored to feature a powerful Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, AI-enhanced tracking, and possibly two versions, a standard and a high-end premium model. This will cater to a wide range of users, from casual gamers to professional developers, making it one of the most advanced VR headsets ever released. Unmatched power and processing performance. At the core of the Meta Quest 4 is a custom-engineered Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, delivering a massive performance boost over its predecessor. With enhanced CPU and GPU architectures, users can expect seamless VR experiences, reduced latency, and ultra-responsive gameplay. The headset is expected to feature expanded RAM and storage configurations, allowing for high-end applications to run smoothly without performance bottlenecks. Additionally, advanced thermal management will prevent overheating, ensuring users can enjoy long VR sessions without interruptions. Whether you're gaming, working in virtual environments, or exploring the metaverse, the Quest 4 is built to handle even the most demanding VR applications effortlessly. Immersive visuals and high-resolution display. One of the standout features of the Meta Quest 4 is its high-resolution OLED display, rumored to offer 2160 by 2160 pixels per eye with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means users can enjoy ultra-smooth visuals, reduced motion sickness, and a truly immersive gaming experience. HDR support will further enhance color accuracy, delivering deep contrast and vibrant visuals that make virtual worlds feel more realistic than ever before. Additionally, an expanded field of view will pull users even deeper into the action, making it ideal for gaming, virtual workspaces, and social VR interactions. Next-level design and comfort enhancements. Meta has focused on making the Quest 4 lighter, more ergonomic, and highly durable. Adjustable head straps ensure a customizable and comfortable fit, while premium materials enhance its sleek and sturdy build. Improved ventilation systems prevent heat buildup, and extra padding increases overall wearability. The newly redesigned Touch Pro controllers will feature haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and improved weight distribution, allowing for more precise and natural interactions within the virtual world. Advanced tracking and controller innovations. One of the most exciting upgrades in the Meta Quest 4 is its next-level inside-out tracking system. This technology will offer increased accuracy and precision, making interactions feel more realistic than ever before. Hand tracking enhancements will enable controller-free navigation, allowing users to interact seamlessly in VR environments. These improvements position the Quest 4 as a go-to device for gamers, professionals, and developers alike, providing a fully immersive experience across a variety of applications. Extended battery life and fast charging. Battery life has been a key focus for Meta, and the Quest 4 is expected to deliver around 3 hours of usage per charge. However, fast charging capabilities will allow users to reach 80% battery in just 45 minutes. Additionally, a modular battery system may enable users to swap out batteries effortlessly, ensuring extended play sessions without interruptions. An energy-efficient mode will further enhance battery performance for less demanding applications, making the Quest 4 adaptable for various use cases. Expanding content library and VR ecosystem. The Meta Quest 4 is not just about hardware. It's also about a thriving VR ecosystem. The device will feature backward compatibility, allowing users to access their favorite titles from previous Quest models. Integration with Meta's Horizon platform will enable dynamic social VR interactions, collaborative virtual workspaces, and cutting-edge gaming experiences. Furthermore, PC VR compatibility via AirLink and USB-C tethering will expand the available content, making the Quest 4 a truly versatile VR headset. A glimpse into the future of virtual reality. Meta continues to push the boundaries of VR technology, and the Quest 4 is shaping up to be a true game changer. Whether you're an avid gamer, a creative professional, or someone looking to explore the metaverse, this headset promises unparalleled performance. With high-resolution OLED displays, next-level tracking, a powerful AI-driven chipset, and improved battery life, the Meta Quest 4 is setting a new benchmark for the VR industry. Final thoughts. The future of VR is here. The Meta Quest 4 represents the next major leap in standalone VR technology, blending powerful hardware, superior visuals, and an expansive digital ecosystem. With ergonomic improvements, advanced tracking, and an ever-growing content library, it's an ideal choice for both casual users and VR professionals. Whether you're immersed in cutting-edge VR games, collaborating in virtual spaces, or exploring the next frontier of digital interaction, the Quest 4 delivers an experience like no other. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of technology.